Welcome to KVK Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary addition. First, we'll see the rules for binary addition. A, B. Let A and B be the two inputs. A is 0, B is 0. There will be two outputs. One is sum, the other one is carry. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. The sum is 0, so carry is also 0. 0 and 1 is the other input. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. The carry is 0. 1 and 0 is the input. 1 and 0 will be 1. The carry will be 0. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1, 0. So the sum will be 0. Carry will be 1. So we will see some examples for binary addition. First example, we will consider two numbers 110011, 1101. First, we'll find the decimal equivalent of these numbers. So it will be easy to cross-check the answers. This is nothing but 51. 51 binary equivalent is 110011. This is nothing but 13. 13 binary equivalent is 1101. So first we'll add this binary number. 1 plus 1 is nothing but the sum will be 0. Carry will be 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 0, again the sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Now 1 plus 0 plus 1 is, again the sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, again the sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1, again the sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 is, sum is 1, carry is 0. Since there is no number before this, we are putting the carry directly here. So what is the decimal equivalent of this number? Before finding this, we will first add this number. 51 plus 3, it is nothing but 64. So we should get the 64 here. We know 842 code method. Now using that, we can find the answer for this. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. See, only for 64 it is 1. Therefore, answer for this addition is 110011 plus 1101 is nothing but 100000. We will see one more example. 111000 plus 1001100. Zero plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 is, 0 plus 1 is, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. So sum is 1 here, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is again, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Since there is no number before, we are putting this carry directly here. So shall we check the answer using the decimal addition? So we'll see the answer. What is the decimal equivalent of this number first? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So the answer is 128 is 1 and 4 is 1. 128 plus 4 is 132. So the answer is 132. Shall we check the decimal addition value now? This is 56. See, this is 32 plus 16 plus 8. 32 plus 8 is nothing but 40. 40 plus 16 is 56. So the value is 56 for this binary number. This is 64 plus 8 plus 4. 68 plus 8 is nothing but 76. So the answer will be 6 plus 6, 12. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. So the two answers are matching. So the binary addition is correct. This is the way to just cross check whether we have done the addition correctly or not. I think you understand how to do binary addition. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe KVK Learning channel. Don't forget to press bell icon.